Since you're the delegate from Kansas, will you kindly take the floor and tell us what is Kansas thinking? What is Kansas for? Well, Kansas is for the farmer. We stand behind the little man. We need a firehouse in Topeka. So help us if you can. Ba 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 ba. Ba da 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 da. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. I see the delegate from Utah, our friendly Beehive state. How can we help you, Utah? How can we make you great? Well, we got to irrigate our deserts so we can get some things to grow. We got to tell this country about Utah, 'cause nobody seems to know. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 boom 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 boom.